Hello? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and strip this old stuff off of here. The original tub is a green or turquoise, I guess it would be. Got a really nice towel up around it. And I'm going to get this sanded, stripped, and see if I can make it look a little bit better. Got everything sanded and stripped back. Put a slip resistant resin on the floor. Forced it all the way down to the side of the tub. And it will be ready to use in 24 hours. So if you have one, give me a call. DallasBathtubRefinishing.com